Okay, we got hit with another storm last night. I don't know if you can see how flat this grass is right here. This grass is, you know, a good 3 feet high, and it's just laying flat. Just flat. But, ow, prickles. I'm barefoot. We're going to take a quick walk back to the mud pit. Ow, ow. Oh. I'm going to be in the garden in a few minutes, which is why I'm barefoot. I'm going to sink up to my knees in that mud, I'm sure. I got to start missing the prickle bushes, I guess you could say. Is your husband behind me? Nope. Just kitty cats. Lord knows what else. But all this grass is just way flattened down from the wind. We didn't lose any more trees. And oddly enough, the stuff that's down in the big tree, trapped in the big tree and back, did not get blown out yet. A whole lot of prickle bushes right through here. Oh gosh. Ow. Holy cow. Alright, next time I'm going to bring the shoes. Whew. And I'm getting soaking wet. Walking into trees. And another huge patch of prickle bushes. Oh. Ouchie. Oh yeah, we got flooded. Okay, I'm almost there. I have to sneak across this other pile of prickles. Get over here. And as you can see, the mud pit is a pond. So hopefully it will dry up. It's always fun when you gotta wait for your mud pit to dry up. So it definitely got lots of water back here. Lots and lots and lots of water. And now I have to forge my way back through the path that has got everything knocked down in it. Holy cow, here comes your husband. Husband, I'm barefoot. I keep hitting the prickle bushes. Yeah, I do suck to be me. Wave.
Hi. We got sucked at how wet you're going to get on these trees.
I know. I'm already drenched. I'm just smack you with that branch and get you out. I thought I'd come back this way and see if I could avoid some of those prickle bushes this way. But otherwise, really bad.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Oh my gosh.
What's wrong, honey? You're going to get a little wet.
Whee! Woohoo! Oh boy, that'll wake you up in the morning. Holy cow, honey.
Yeah, I know. I already walked that.
Whew. Whew. It's a little damp. Little damp, little cold. Ooh. Probably. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm thirsty. Okay. Back at the beginning.